Hallstatt, located in Austria, is a picturesque village that has gained international recognition for its stunning landscape and rich history. Nestled between the Hallstätter Sea, Lake Hallstatt, and the Dachstein mountains, this charming town offers visitors a unique experience. From the crystal-clear waters of Lake Hallstatt to the charming pastel-colored houses that line its shores, capturing Hallstatt from above offers a breathtaking glimpse into its natural beauty. The drone footage showcases the village's idyllic setting against the backdrop of towering mountains, creating a truly awe-inspiring visual experience. Tourism in Hallstatt has been on the rise in recent years due to its popularity on social media platforms. Visitors from all over the world flock to this UNESCO World Heritage Site to witness its beauty firsthand. Despite its small size, there are plenty of things to do and see in Hallstatt.